Hello, this is my exhibition about my travel experience. My name is Ana Maria Osorio Duque. I am from the Grove 3 and the 40 English course. About me, I was born on December 30, 1986, and I am 22 years old. I am YouTuber and I study social communication in UNED. I live with my dad, my mom, and my dog. Since I was born, I was educated and trained as a person. I live in the city of Medellin in Campo Amor. My experience, the Eje Cafetero. The trip to the Eje Cafetero in Colombia is a very pleasant experience. In addition to Islas Cab and Touret, site to know as the hot spring of Santa Rosa, is Coffee Park of Panaca, besides Norway Wing is cities such as Armenia, Pereira, Quimbaya, Finlandia, the Valle del Cocora. Among other municipalities, we have a very diverse culture and quiz with their dishes and customs and some very beautiful, colorful handicraft. handicraft. The water. The climate of the Eje Cafetero in Panaca and the Coffee Park is pleasing and neutral, but in some places such as the Termales, Pereira, Valle del Cocora is more of a warmer and colder climate. My recommendation regarding climate. Wear comfortable clothes. With sucres, especially for thermales in the cold weather, there burns more than hot wear. Wear bathing suit for the themes park, such the coffee park and the thermales pool. Now I'm going to give some recommendations so that you can plan the trip to the Eje Cafetero. Be clear about the routes you will follow so you can know the place you want to visit. Know the theme park such the Coffee Park, Panaca de Termales. To know the tone of the sun with their very beautiful costumes and craft. Guide to know the Valle del Cocora within Talpan Street. What people should not do on the train. Failure to comply with road regulation the trip according to the road and its signaling. People should not drink alcohol. Do not throw garbage or things down the road or in unauthorized places, and break of the rules and guys on recommendation of the guys in the parks and tourist centers of the region. Thank you so much. Bye.